Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my growing channel. This is the business side of Kim Mars. If you haven't been to my tarot channel or my other channel where I talk about other things, but this is the business side of Kim Mars. And so I wanted to bring to you, the first thing I want to bring to you is something that is really exciting to me and how I actually keep up with my education as this world is always moving and growing. And there are so many different things that you need to learn even after you get your degree. Now, I have a degree of my own, I have a marketing degree, and it is suiting me very fine. However, when we come out of school, sometimes we still have to keep up with the times, right? So, people that have maybe graduated years ago, they still need to keep up with the times. And then there are some of you who just never was fortunate enough to actually be able to afford going back to school, right? And that's okay, because what I'm about to tell you about today is absolutely free to you as far as the education goes. Just a small amount that you have to pay for, just like a diploma or a certificate. But let's go ahead and get started. I have put together a tutorial, and this is through a program that's called, or a platform that's called Guide, Guidde. And what it is it captures the what you're actually doing so that you actually can put together this cool tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that cool tutorial that I put together. I'm going to start doing the tutorials in my own voice, but for now, I just did it where they do give you a voiceover, and I'm going to do a tutorial on the tutorial thing that I use. So for now, let's go ahead and look at how exciting it is to actually continue your education. And this is called Allison, and it's going to go all the way through, and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys a little bit more.
This guide will walk you through the process of finding a course on Alison Education. From exploring different categories to selecting a specific course module, follow these steps to get started with your learning journey. Click on the link Alison Free Online Education, Free Online Courses by Alison. Switch to alison.com. As you can see here, there are several courses to choose from. Click Explore Courses section. For this example, let's find a business course. Select the business category. On this page, you will see Explore Top Subjects. As you can see, there are many subjects to choose from. For this example, let's take a marketing course. Find and select the marketing category. To be more specific, choose the course titled Marketing Management. Begin the course by clicking on the Start Learning button. Access the first module titled Module 1, Introduction to Marketing. Open the first module titled Module 1, Introduction to Marketing. The great thing about taking a course with Alison Education, you can work at your own pace. You will be able to save your progress. As you see here, it says, Progress Saved. Another great tool is that you can set a study reminder. Select the Study Reminders option. Access the Resources section. You will always know your progression of studies. See here the number of modules and topics to be completed. Also, the number of hours the course should take to complete. In this guide, you learned how to navigate the Alison Education website and find a course that interests you. From exploring categories to accessing course modules, you are now ready to start learning and make progress in your chosen subject.
Now, wasn't that awesome? Yes, I put that all together. Me, little old me, put that all together. And I can show you guys how to do some of those wonderful things as well. So you can look forward to a lot of different things that I'm going to be doing on this channel. And also, like I said, I have other different channels that you guys can go ahead and check out. So if you're like you know, esoteric type of person, I have that channel for you. That is Kim Mars Tarot. I also look into astrology, which is Kim Mars Astrology. Doesn't that make sense to always put that Kim Mars on there? But this channel is going to be all about business. So stay tuned to a lot of things that I'm going to be giving you guys, because I learn so much as I go along. And I would love to share these little tidbits of knowledge to you guys so that you guys can kind of learn along with me. So go ahead and take this journey with me. If you have not checked out my other videos on this channel, I talk about getting fired. I talk about how to navigate through situations like that. I'm going to tell you about how to start your own business online, how to take your situation and turn it from how do they always say, turn it make lemons out of lemonade. Well, that's what your girl does here. I make lemonade. That's right. That's right. And I love lemonade, but I always put a little sugar with mine. I don't know about nobody else, but I guess that's the only way to actually truly enjoy your lemonade. You got to have some sugar. Okay, so yes, I'm going to be sharing with you guys so many different things, especially with all the AI, artificial intelligence that's out here right now. You're going to need to be on top of it. Okay, even as you get older, don't let those people push you to a side and say, because you're older, you don't get a chance to do any of these things. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it regardless of your age, whether you're younger, just beginning, or whether you're older and you're just saying, hey, you know what, got to jump on the boat. I'm going to show you how to continue to stay on top of it. Okay. And it's going to this particular website, Alison.com, that will keep you abreast to a lot of different programs that you need to know and that you need to actually always be up on. Okay, I'm talking about with technology. I'm talking about with you if you're doing a career change, or whether you just stand and chilling at the job that you're at. You still always need to be doing something where you're improving in some type of way. So if you're not improving, remember, if you're not improving and you're not learning something different every day, you're really doing yourself a disservice. So that's what we're here to do today, is to show you what I'm going to do is show you how to stay on top of it. Okay. So that's what I have for you guys. Again, go ahead and check out my other channels. Check out this channel. If you don't have anything to do with all the bougie stuff, then hey, stay on this channel and I'm going to show you a lot about business, because I know a lot. I've been in business for years. Okay. I also have had a channel, a YouTube channel for over 6 years, 7 years now. I've also worked in the corporate world for over 10 years, okay? And I have a plethora of information that I want to get out to you guys, which is why I decided to do this channel, okay? So go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go right ahead and subscribe to this channel. It is pretty new. So if you don't want to be the first to subscribe, hey, I say be the first to subscribe. Even if you're not the first, be the second, be the third, be the 2000th one to subscribe. I thank you so much for listening to me today. If you've gotten to this end of this program, thank you so much for watching and look forward to much more. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.